You are welcome to the second topic in the JSS3 scheme of work. And the topic is factorization of quadratic expression. By the end of this topic, you should be able to understand the following. 1. Definition of terms. That is quadratic expression, binomial expression. Multiplication of binomial expression, direct expansion of products, determination of coefficient of terms in a quadratic expression, factorization of quadratic expression, perfect square quadratic expressions, application of perfect squares quadratic expressions in calculating squares of values, difference of squares of two terms, applications of difference of squares of two terms in calculating difference of squares of values, word problems, and further problems. It is expected that at the end of this topic, you should be able to solve problems on the itemized learning objectives. Thank you.